Question number 8, children. You have to simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta, children. So directly I copied left hand side due to shortage of space, children. Okay, children. So see how to do. Think of simplify means again you make it a numeral or you make it a very simple terms, just like tan theta or tan theta into cot theta. Not so much minus plus etc. etc. children. So here looking to be 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Yes, any idea? A minus B, A plus B. So you can go for it. First you try 1 square minus cos square theta. A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus cos theta whole square. And cos theta whole square is nothing but cos square theta. Here 1 plus cot square theta. Here you should write what? A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square, children. Okay, children. Now what can we do? Is equal to 1 minus cos square 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Here is 1 minus cos square theta. Any idea by seeing the 1 minus cos square theta? Whenever 1 is there and square of trigonometric ratio is there, you should once think about the trigonometric identities. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. So I am writing here what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. With that, in place of 1 minus cos square theta, I am writing as a sin square theta. That is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Now 1 plus, why to extend again step? Here cot theta can be simplified as a cos square theta by sin square theta. Now children, because we have to simplify, so try for the possibilities. Here take the LCM, sin square theta into 1 sin square theta and plus cos square theta. Now children, see sin square theta cancel. That is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. I know that is equal to 1. How children? Directly sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Simply one step it is simplified, children. No? Very simple. Just 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. By seeing this, idea should be generated that A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. I wrote as it is. This A square minus B square I wrote systematically. 1 square 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta can be written as simplified as sin square theta into 1 plus in place of cot square theta, since here sin and we have to simplify, so convert it cos square theta by sin square theta. Take LCM sin square theta into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta. This divide and numerator denominator same terms cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is left and that is equal to 1, children. Question number 9. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? So children, it's a logical question. Just is given that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, and you have to find out sec theta minus tan theta value. So children, is there any relation between sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta? No direct relation. Okay, but A plus B and A minus B, is there a relation between them? Yes, we know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Therefore, in place of A, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Is it right? Because A plus B given, we have to find out A minus B. So we have to explore that any direct relation between A plus B and A minus B. Yes, it is there. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, children. So what about A plus B? Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to B given. So in this place we can write P. P is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Sorry, P into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. How? Given that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Given that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Now children, or we can write P into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Why children? Because it's a trigonometric identity that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So children, this implies what we need? We need sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to, that side already 1. This P will go and get divided 1 upon P. Very simple question. Just we need to idea should be come in mind that A plus B and A minus B is directly related with formula A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A plus B right, A minus B right, A square minus B square. This A plus B, sec theta plus tan theta value is given P. I put here as it is. Then P into same. Here sec square theta minus tan square theta is a trigonometric identity. Its value is 1. I put it here 1. So this is equal to 1 by P. So simple question children. Children, this is a question number 10, which is the last question of this exercise. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to K, then prove that cos theta is equal to K square minus 1. So children, here left hand side is only cos theta, but right hand side is K square minus 1 by K square plus 1, where K value is cosec theta plus cot theta. So it's better to take right hand side, because in left hand side nothing clue, no clue is given. So we are taking right hand side, that is K square minus 1 upon K square plus 1. In place of K, I am writing here given cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Now think of what can we do after this. What can we do? A square minus B square. No other option children. Just we have to expand it. So expand it. Cosec square theta A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B minus 1 divided by A square plus B square. Here it's a here 2 into A into B plus 1. Same children, A plus B whole square minus 1, A plus B whole square plus 1. Here it's a minus 1, here it's a plus 1 difference, rest as it is. Okay children, next see what can we do. Any cancellation? Cosec square theta is equal to 1 minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So it's useless. In place of cosec square theta, we can write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. It will not be cancelled. See children, if in place of cosec square theta, you are trying to convert, use trigonometric identity. In place of cosec square theta, you can write 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. So, yes children, yes. So, in place of cosec square theta, if you are using trigonometric identities 1 plus cot square theta, what happens? 1, that 1 and this minus 1 will be cancelled. And cot square theta will become 2 cot square theta. So write down, in place of cosec square theta, I am writing 1 minus cot square theta. Is it correct? No. 1 plus cot square theta. Why? Because cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Plus this cot square theta. Plus 2 cosec theta cot theta minus 1. But we need some space to write, to show that we have used this identity. Here, what we use children? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Divide by here cot square theta, cosec square theta is equal to cot, no benefit. Cot square theta is equal to cot square theta is equal to yes. So I am writing here cosec square theta plus, in place of cot square theta, I am writing as a cosec square theta minus 1. Why I will tell just now. Cosec theta cot theta plus 1. That is, so cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. See children, why we used, why I converted cosec in terms of cot in numerator and cot in terms of cosec in denominator. See children, when I converted cosec in terms of cot, 1 minus 1 cancelled. Okay children, and cot square theta added and became 2 cot square theta. Whereas here I did not convert cosec, I converted cot square theta in terms of cosec square theta minus 1, because here there is a plus 1. So this plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. Try to understand children, here there was minus 1. I want to cancel this minus 1. So here I wrote 1 plus cot square theta. Here there is a plus 1. So if you are writing here also, it 1 plus 1 will become 2, and again complication. So I removed here cot square theta as cosec square theta minus 1. So this minus 1 and 1 cancel. Now plus and minus 1 disappear. Now see how it became simple. Cot square theta plus cot square theta, 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta and cot theta. See, became simple. Divide by cosec square theta plus 2 cosec square theta. 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. Okay children. So see how 1 disappeared. To disappear 1 minus 1, I brought here 1 plus something. To remove here plus 1, I brought here minus 1 in the form of cosec and cot relation. Okay children. Now 2 is common and cancelled, you can say 2 into, what you can write children? 2 into cot square theta plus cosec theta cot theta, divide by 2 into cosec theta cosec square theta plus cosec theta into cot theta. 2 to cancel children. Okay. Let's see what are left remaining. Is equal to cot square theta plus cosec theta into cot theta, divide by here cosec square theta plus cosec theta into cot theta. Children, something common here. What is common? Cot theta. No, not cot theta. Nothing is common. Okay. So children, now we have to plan how can we simplify further. Cot square theta plus cosec square theta. So cot is common here, cot theta, here cosec theta is common. Let's see. Here cot square theta, here cot theta. So cot theta is common. If cot theta is common, here what is left? Cot theta plus cosec theta. Here divide by cosec theta is common. Cosec theta is common. So if cosec theta is common, here left is cosec theta plus here left is cot theta. Yes children, this cot theta plus cosec theta cancelled. What is left to? Cot theta by cosec theta. Cot theta by cosec theta. So cot theta is nothing but children cos theta by sin theta, divide by cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, because we need only cos theta, so all should be cancelled children. So what? First into last, that is cos theta into sin theta, divide by sin theta into 1. Sin theta cancel, is equal to cos theta, that is nothing but LHS. Nothing but LHS children. Okay children, hope I think you are able to watch. Due to sunlight there is a problem today, but hope I think you are able to see. Okay children, this was the last question. So here nothing, just trial and error method. The 5-6 formulas are there. You have to, by trial and error method, you have to explore which one is suitable and what we have to do children.